beautiful. Gosh, I look around this room and I think, Tammy, you're a high school senior from the planet Earth and you're marrying a 40-year-old bird person? Like, what?
Yeah, Tammy!
But then I think, in a lot of ways, I'm not a high school senior from the planet Earth. In a lot of ways, what I really am is a deep cover agent for the Galactic Federation, and you guys are a group of wanted criminals, and this entire building is, in a certain sense, surrounded.
What?
Oh, shit.
I don't get the metaphor.
I'll explain it to you later.
Everyone here is under arrest for crimes against the Federation.
L'chaim! Tammy, what are you doing?
Sit your bird ass down.
Tammy?
Bird person! No!
Drop the portal gun. Slide it to the center of the room. Somebody confiscate that and don't damage it. They'll want it at
There's no time to squanch! Get your family out of here! I got this.
I want a taste of my squatch!
Come on, this way!
Squatch this!
Good thing I grabbed a space weapon.
That's a confetti gun, you idiot!
Dad!
Hold on tight! Damn it! God damn it!
What the hell happened back there?
This is on you guys. I told you weddings are stupid.